Hi everyone, in front of me I've got Xiaomi 11 Lite and let me share with you how to enable developer options on this device. So firstly, let's enter the settings, and now we have to enter the About phone. And that was a misclick, About phone. Right now all we have to do in order to turn on the developer options is to simply keep tapping on the MIUI version until we will see that the information that we are in the developer mode. So keep tapping, and as you can see we've got the info, so we can go back to the general settings, and here let's scroll down to additional settings. Now let's scroll down to the very bottom, and as you can see we've got the developer options, so let's tap on it. And as you can see here we've got plenty of advanced settings which we can customize. So for example, we can debug GPU overdraw, we can show surface updates, for example show visual feedback for taps. We've got some advanced options connected to the Bluetooth and to the Wi-Fi, for example. So plenty of options, and if you'd like to turn on the feature, just tap on the switcher on it, and as you can see it will be immediately activated and applied. Of course you can turn it off the same way. If you've got the options without the switcher, like here in the transition animation scale, just tap on it in order to open much more advanced settings. So if you're done with customization of developer options and if you'd like to turn them off, all you have to do is to simply go back to the very top of the list and tap on the switcher, and as you can see most of the options are inactive. And after getting back to the general settings and entering additional settings, you can see that the developer options disappeared. But of course no worries, you can customize them again. Just go back to the build numbers tab and keep tapping. So actually this is it. This is how to enable developer options in your Xiaomi 11 Lite. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.